Hello students, welcome to Rhchemistry. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about bridge course lecture number 2. If you have not seen my previous lecture, please go through that. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ previous first PUC bridge course video ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ please go through that. ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, in this particular class we are going to discuss about chemical formula, how to write the formula. Yes, what is chemical formula? Chemical formula is nothing but symbolic representation of a molecule. ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಟಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ symbolic representation of a molecule is called as chemical formula. See, ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ all these ions I have given: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, calcium, ammonium, chloride ion, oxide, hydroxide, sulfate, carbonate. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ions ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬೋನೇಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್? ಸೊ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಮ್? All these things we have explained in the last video. Please go through that particular video. Yes, in this particular case. So now, first we will see, if the formula is, name is given aluminum sulfate, then how to write the formula? See, aluminum is Al3+, right? Al3+. Sulfate means SO4 2-. These things we have to know first. Aluminum sulfate, when they tell, remember, when they tell you to write aluminum sulfate, so remember, in this particular case, we know that Al is 3+ and SO4 is 2-. Right? Very simple. This charge, whatever it is there, that you have to balance. That is very important in case of the chemical formula. Remember, chemical formula for any molecule is always the neutral one. There should not be any charge present on it. So hence remember, this 3+, this 3 you write it here, and this 2 you write it here. Just you cross it. So now what happens? Al 2-, a minus and a bit below. Leave that minus. So write only 2. Al2. Then SO4 you write it as it is. SO4. You have to write the bracket because it is molecular ion, we call it as molecular ion. If we don't write the bracket, what happens is, when I write here 3, if I don't write the bracket, it looks like 43. S1 and O43. It is wrong. Because of that reason, remember, it is Al2, SO4 thrice, we call it as thrice. Aluminum sulfate formula ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Al2 SO4 thrice ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. THRICE thrice ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಫೈನ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು? ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ +3 ಹೇಗೆ? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ 3+. ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 2-. ಆ 2 ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ 3 ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ರೆಡಿ. Very simple, isn't it? Yes. Now we'll write the formula for all. See, nomenclature is very simple. Aluminum ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳೋದು. Sulfate ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳೋದು. So aluminum sulfate formula, it is not AlSO4, Al2SO4, AlSO4 thrice. All this formula is wrong. Only Al2SO4 thrice is wrong. I hope you understood why it came. Now you can see here +1 is there, Cl-, -1 is there. What you have to do in this particular case, remember? So here we are going to write it as NaCl. Very simple. Because +1 you have taken here, -1 you have taken here. So 1 not necessary to write. So NaCl. What is the name? Na name is sodium, remember. Cl- is chloride. Hence the formula is sodium chloride. And the name is sodium chloride. Right. Oxygen 2-. Here what you have to do? This 2 you have to take it to sodium. So I will write as Na2. This +1 you have to take it to oxygen. So O. This is the formula for Na2O, sodium oxide. Like that, NaOH. Very simple. NaOH. So here I have not written the bracket. Bracket ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. More than one ಇದಿದ್ರೆ, so this or this or this. If it is more than one, it is repeated, then you write OH twice, thrice, like that. If it is not there, not necessary to write. Very simple. So Al2SO4 thrice we have written because it is more than one. Hence I have written thrice. Here only one. Hence not necessary to write. Now you can see Na2. Because here plus 1, 2 minus is there. 2 you take it to sodium. So I will write Na2. And this plus 1 to the sulfate. So it is 1 sulfate, SO4. There is no bracket required. Now, Na2 once again. Na2. CO3. CO3. Remember, this CO3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು unit. It is not like ಒಂದು carbon, 3 oxygen. ಅದು correct, but it is a combination of that. Combination of that means molecular ion we call it as Na2CO3, right? So sodium carbonate is like this. Now you write MgCl. So we will write it as MgCl2. Why I have written MgCl2? Because Mg2 you have to take it to Cl. Minus 1 is there. That 1 you take it to Mg. Bracket hakilla. Yak bracket hakilla? Because it is a element, atom. It is molecular ion. It is ion. Atom directly formed ion. Here molecule is formed ion. Hence remember. Now this you can say 2 plus 2 minus. Generally what you have to do now? Mg2 O2 you have to write. But 2 get cancelled. Common you have to remove it out. So hence remember, here we will write it as MgO. MgO. See, Mg2 plus OH minus C. MgOH. Now you can see 2 plus is there. This OH2. See, OH2. If I write like this, here there is a confusion that whether OH is 2 or H is 2. It looks like H is 2. Correct? It looks like H is 2. But H is not 2. OH is a twice. Hence remember, here the bracket is required like this. Bracket is required. Now, in it, magnesium sulfate. MgSO4. Bracket here not required because Mg 2 plus 2 minus get cancelled. So Mg1 SO4 1 MgSO4. See, MgCO3 formula, magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. So here remember, you have to know how to write the formula when the name is given. When the formula is given, how to write the name. Both you have to know. That is, if this is given like this, MgCO3, what is the formula? What is the name? Mg means magnesium. CO3 means carbonate. It is not carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is CO2. CO3 2 minus is carbonate. Hence magnesium carbonate is the name. Magnesium hydroxide. They will not call it as magnesium dihydroxide. No. But it is magnesium hydroxide. But while you writing the formula, you will come to know that why you have to write it twice. Because OH is minus 1, Mg is 2 plus. Because of that reason, when I write the formula, when you cross that charges, hence it become MgOH twice. Why we have to cross, I will tell you. See, Al2 I have written, correct? Al2 means, remember, aluminium 3 plus into 2 means 6 plus. SO4 2 minus into 3 means 6 minus. So 6 minus 6 plus, see, balanced. Because remember, because of that reason we have to cross that particular charge. Very, very important. Now, let us write in this particular case, aluminium chloride, see, AlCl3. AlCl3. It is not bracket. Cl is not in the bracket because Cl is a single atomic, atoms formed ion. So, AlO, see, 3 you have to write it here, 2 minus you have to write it here, formula become Al2O3, very simple. Aluminum oxide formula means what? Al2O3, remember. Now, aluminum hydroxide formula if they ask, AlOH, first you write the molecule, 3 you write thrice, 1 minus, so 1 already you have written, nothing is there means 1 is there. Aluminum sulfate formula already written, Al2SO4 thrice. Remember. Now aluminum carbonate, AlCO3. right? Bracket. See, aluminum 3 plus, hence I will write thrice. And CO3 2 minus, hence you have to write 2. See, this 3 we are not writing aluminum 3. This 3 as it is, remember, because it is a one molecule, single entity. You cannot remove it out. Hence aluminum carbonate formula. Calcium chloride formula, CaCl2. Right? So CaO. Right? So CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide formula, CaOH twice. Now, in this particular case, calcium sulfate you can see CaSO4. There is no twice required because Ca is 2 plus, SO4 is 2 minus, it becomes CaSO4. Then CaCO3, calcium carbonate formula, CaCO3, like this. Right? I hope you understood all this. Next we'll move to ammonium. In case of the ammonium, remember, here you can see NH4 plus is there. Correct? NH4 plus and Cl minus, we will write it as NH4Cl. Very simple. What is the name? Ammonium it is. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. It is not ammonium chlorine. Wrong agtada. Ammonium chloride it should be. Now, oxygen. See, NH4 plus O2 minus is there. What you have to do? NH4. Twice you have to write oxygen. Why you have to write it twice now? Now you can see NH4 is 1 unit, but 2 is there here. Correct? 2 is there. That 2 when I write it here, you have to write it as twice. Same mechanism here also. See, carbonate whenever it was there more than 1, we have written twice, thrice like that. Whenever it is less than, see, Na2CO3 1 it was, and here it was 1, hence I have written 1. Here thrice, bracket alli barthive, hauda? So similarly here, see, ammonium oxide, NH4 twice O, NH4OH, NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide formula anta kelidre ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? NH4OH ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Now, ammonium sulfate formula ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ see, 2 minus ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ NH4 ಗೆ 2 ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? So NH4 ಗೆ 2 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. NH4 twice ಆಯಿತು. NH4 twice ಆಯಿತು. So sulfate we write it as it is because one sulfate, because plus 1 charge is there, so one sulfate. Ammonium carbonate formula, NH4 twice. See, twice because CO3 2 minus is there, twice. CO3, NH4 twice, CO3, like this. So, remember, very important, whenever it is a so common numbers are there, then you have to cancel it out. If whatever the charge is given, you cross it out. Cross madibidi, madida mele ee riti molecular ion iddaga adukka thrice agli twice agli anta baribeku. ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದರೆ Al2SO4 thrice, wrong ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It looks like, remember, 43, so it is wrong. Like this, any formula, any name ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೇಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬರಬೇಕು. If you understood this, you can easily write. So this is about chemical formula. Right? So, this much for today's class. In next class, we will discuss about how to balance the chemical equation. How to balance the chemical equation in the next video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, if you are first visited to my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and support. Right? Throughout the year, for chemistry, my support will be there, especially for Karnataka PUC students. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.